Coach? How you doing?
Right now, we're wondering when you're touching down because playoffs start the 20th.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, we play the 19th, so I can definitely, I'll definitely be able to make that one. I'm just inspired because the Drew League is such a big opportunity.
He knows his role. He knows what he needs to do. I said he's a bona fide shooter. He's a good kid. That's why we went after him.
Yeah, appreciate it. I need to get prepared for this trip.
We're definitely gonna need some shooters for another stretch run.
Gotcha. I do want to like get some work in, and I need to find somebody that's super physical, like that's a specimen, somebody that's gonna give me a tough time. Somebody that's not gonna back down. Somebody that's gonna push me to the limit. Yo, Tim, you trying to play ones?
We're out here getting some work in, man. We're playing the West Coast squad on the 19th. A lot of y'all know that. I'm getting ready for the Drew League again, playoffs. So we got a big trip coming up. I want to get prepared. I got somebody that's kind of good at defense. So we're gonna play some ones. Game to 21, 3 dribbles. Let's get it. Your ball. 0-0. Yeah. I care about your chain.
All right.
Oh, he's off now. Oh, that's tough. Oh! Yeah. Long. Let's go. Two. Got him flying. Ah. Yes, sir.
Wow.
That's good. There it goes. Austin Mills. Want it? Chain's coming off. Whew. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Human clamp is activated. I need to. Oh. There we go. No. Zero. Come on. Give me one break.
Yeah. Bucket's a bucket. There we go.
Oh. Gave him a rhythm. Waited too long. Shoot it again.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, he's off rhythm. No, this did not just roll in, bro.
3 in a row, Slim.
So he's a shooter now. Okay, cool.
Play a little defense.
I'm here.
Play a little defense.
I'm here.
This when I go to the rack.
Be tough with you. Be tough with you. Nah, it's too deep. Heck no, bro. That is not real. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I gotta be dreaming. I gotta be. Let me wake up. 10 bounces. Yeah, don't even shoot it. Let's go. Woke me up now.
What score?
Got you. He woke me up. Woke me up. 8-6, let's go. Wait.
You got to slip over that shit. I hate it. One.
Chill. Woo! Chill. You been clamp? He woke me up.
What score?
8-7. I'm in there now. Stop.
He in his little bag. That little bag. That little bag.
Let's go.
You gotta guard me out
Let's
here
go,
like
strong
I'm a
man.
shooter? Like I'm a shooter?
Let's go, strong. Rip through.
No.
Jab. That's weight. That's not you. I'm just not getting good shots now. Yes. 8-7. Oh shit. That was too easy. 9-7.
Let's finish them off.
You're not me. I need a halftime ASAP. Holy cow. Yeah, I need it. Hey, halftime at 10? Halftime at 10? Yeah, hell yeah. Off guard! Let's go. Ten. Or 8, 9. Halftime. Oh! I'm gonna push myself. I'm gonna guard you right here.
Alright, that's about it.
Yeah.
I can shoot it out here.
At the logo, I'm cool with that. I'm so cool with that.
Let me play you a little left.
Let me see.
Let me play you a little left.
Oh, yep. Oh, keep on that. Oh. Tough shot. Ah. What'd you say?
Playing that way.
All right. What's that? Oh. Ooh. Bro, 21 is no joke. All right, 10-9. 10-9?
10-9.
There. This guy. This guy. Went by 2.
1 by 2?
Yeah.
Slim, this one for you, alright?
I just don't believe in that.
You don't?
Not really. It's just, it's a little hesitant. Yep. Look, reverse psychology right there. Oh! Need some feet over here, Slim. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, we need a lot of feet over here. Oh, this guy. This guy.
Do you want that ball?
Nah. You just caught a break. Oh! Tough.
No, not this time.
Yep, glass. Get in! 10 up, let's go.
I feel like he got me.
Let's go on the run. Every time. I want to cry. Oh, your ball. Psych. Oh no.
That's D?
Yeah, that's good, dude. Ah!
I'm settling.
Scared him.
Your ball, no point.
Is that goaltending?
Your ball, no point. Your ball, no point.
I'll take it.
We count. 11, 10.
Count it? No, I don't want that. I don't want that.
That's 1.
That's awful.
I think I shoot for his game.
Not that way. Not that way. Slim, what should I do? What should I do, Slim? Talk to me. What's working? What should I do? What?
Stay over there, bro.
Get away, Tim. Coach me up, Slim. What should I do?
This is man with the hardest heavy ever. At the
Okay.
top with you. Ella, you gonna shoot. You know how you be doing me with the little.
Yeah, stutter step, hezzy. Glitch.
We gonna fall for it. It's like it's after.
Okay, should I pull up afterwards? Go to the basket? Bet. Let's go.
Don't let him pump you.
10,
Dumb
10.
hezzies.
10, 10. I had him still. He's living out there.
I'm living.
Yeah.
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 Told you I'm sending you that way. I'm sending you that way.
Bro. Good shot. Almost got up under him.
Short.
We'll take it. You got a little mixed up there. Oh, okay, just checking.
Look, dude.
Two. Is that a two? Another one. Ooh. 15-11. He's quiet. We got space. Jeez. Oh, please don't make that. Please get out, yes. Oh. Oh. 16, 14. Yeah. Take it. Oh. I have no words. I have no words. Where are you going? Get out, yes. Ha. Bucket. Woo! 18. Can't make a layup, but I can make that. Oh. Oh. What was that? Oh gosh. Yeah? Yeah?
That's one.
Two! On your head! Two! One? Alright. Alright. 19, 17. You're about to lose. I'm trying to piss him off.
What did he say in that mic?
Let's go.
What did he
Let's
say?
go. Need the best defense you got. Good D! Get off the court.
All right, guys. So the battery to the camera died, and then we recorded the rest of the game with the phone, but the file corrupted on the phone for some reason. It's not letting me put it in Final Cut. So, anyways, Tim hit 2 logo threes in a row, ended up winning the game 21-19. Shout out to my guy Tim for that one-on-one. I'm definitely going to be playing him more often, on and off camera probably, just because he's a really tough matchup for anybody, and it's exactly what I need. Playing against that physicality is kind of unmatched. Dude is a beast. But that's pretty much it, guys. I do have some cool news. I have the link for the live stream for the East vs West game. If you guys are interested in that, if you keep up with the park basketball scene, the link will be in the description to buy the live stream. It's $9.99 through Ballislife. They'll be live streaming the whole thing, so if you want to watch that live, it'll be live streamed on YouTube. I will put the link in the description. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm excited to continue with the content. Make sure you subscribe, and love y'all. Peace.